I got this hole in my vinyl siding. I think it's probably from hail. Not sure though, but hole either way. This one isn't very big. I don't know if bees could get in there, but water definitely could. So I'm going to use some caulk, Seals and Bonds. It's Painter's Express, Loctite, and paintable in 20 minutes. So, in some caulking you can't paint it, so I want to be sure and use caulk that I can paint. So I'm going to, this is kind of tough to get in here. I'm going to some caulk in that hole. Oops. Stairway is in the way, and trim, and I've got some on there. Hopefully that's enough. I'll take a putty knife. Yeah, it's a bad idea to pick one up off the ground. It's all full of dirt. I'm going to put some more caulk in there. I got mosquitoes. Always want to release the caulk gun, otherwise it'll keeps pressure on it and it'll ooze out. I thought about putting some backer in there to hold that. I maybe should have done that. Well, there's just a little. I'm gonna probably come back and caulk that after this is dried. Then that'll kind of hold that all together. But I'll wipe off the putty knife here. But then I'll bring a piece of the siding to the paint store and get some paint that's the exact same color and paint that. I want to be able to tell where the patch is. Be sure and check out my other videos.